So here you can see that up to the plinth level and the ground floor we got the same reinforcement. So these two reinforcement we are fine with it. Okay, we can just take the same bars up to the ground floor. But in the first floor you can see that we got 416 mm bars and 412 mm bars. So this is where lapping comes into play. In each floor you have to lap your bars because the standard size of a bar is 12 meters, and due to the restrictions in the length of the rebar, you have to lap the bars in each floor, and in every floor only 50% of the bars you have to lap at a place. So let me show the reinforcement in the first floor. So what happens is that this is your ground floor and this is your first floor. So 416 mm bars that come from the ground floor. So at the ground floor what we got 8 16 mm bars, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 16 mm bars, and in the first floor we got only 4 16 mm bars. So 4 16 mm bars. Okay, so these corner bars in the first floor, they will just continue to go, like this. Okay, so there will be lapping in the first floor, but the lapping will be between the bars of the same size. Okay, and in the first floor, between the bars of the 16 mm and the 12 mm, what will happen is that, so 16 mm bar will go up to the length here, and we know that if this is your column here, so I'm showing the rebar in the column. Okay, if this is your column height here, and this is the height h, so you can only lap in the middle h by 3, so only here, because the movement is minimum at this region. So you have to take your rebar up to this region, and so you have to satisfy the lap length also. And what you have to do is that you have to, so this is your 16 mm bar that comes from bottom, and then what you do, you lap your bar here. So you take this bar up to the second floor where you have got 12 mm bars of 8 mm. So 12 mm bars are 12 mm bars 80 numbers. Okay, so these 4 bars, so 1 2 3 4, so these 4 bars are these bars. Okay, that will lap at the first floor with 16 mm bars that come from the ground floor. So this is first floor, this is second floor. So now in the first floor, the 4 bars, 1 2 3 4 bars that go from the first floor, they will go up to this in this lapping zone, and after that what they will do, they will lap with the 12 mm bars. Okay, so here you have to notice that though in the second floor we have told that we will use 12 mm bars, 12 mm bars 80 numbers, but up to the middle lapping zone, the 16 mm bars from the ground floor will also come there. So you can see that we got these kind of bars, 1 2 3 4, that will be lapped on this floor and won't be lapped on this floor. Okay, so for these bars, so these 4 bars won't be lapped at this floor because they will be lapped here, and you can see that so these remaining 1 2 3 4 bars, so these remaining 1 2 3 4 corner bars that will be lapped here. So you can see that we got a 50% lapping here, right? So these bars are not lapped and these bars are lapped. So this is how you satisfy the lapping criteria as well. Okay, so this is how you detail the rebars of the column from ground floor to the first floor.